So super slow, or almost like kind of fast. Yep. So what's going on, trackers? It's Kota Brown, back with Tyendinaga Trackers. I'm back on the water again. I'm just gonna be strictly focusing on topwater explosions, hopefully. So I'm gonna be heading down to a pretty stellar spot and just be topping the water with some I believe some hollow body frogs is what I'm going to be throwing, and maybe, I don't know, popping frog. So just be doing that, and then it's going to be a good one. Oh, we got the boys in the kayaks down there. I think that's Braeden, my little brother Pike. So, we're at the spot again, and it's money out here, it's glass. So, I'm about to splash some water. Anyways, so, if you guys are liking what you guys are seeing, please don't forget to subscribe. Maybe like the video and obviously comment what you guys are looking for on this channel. But I am just out here trying to catch some fish for a lad. Like, I don't know, get it on video maybe, and that's all we're trying to do. I just do this every day anyway, so I don't know, why not throw a little bit on video for you. So this is what I'm gonna be throwing today. It's just a little hollow body frog. I don't know, people fish it different ways. Some people will just hoss it out there and drag it across top, just reeling it in really slow. Hopefully something will smash it. I tend to just toss it out there and I just give it little twitches here and there, and it's called walking the dog kind of. So like, it should jerk the bait side to side and get these little frays to kick side to side. So that's what I'm gonna be trying to do out here tonight, and we're probably gonna be fishing here until dark, so I'm sorry if the video gets a little bit dark after. So I don't know, there's topwater fish jumping everywhere, so I'm kind of pumped.
Do the polarized lenses work at night?
No.
I was gonna say.
It's probably a little dark. Yeah, I just tried to toss them on. The only thing with these frogs is they kind of get filled up with water. So you just gotta periodically squeeze them out and make sure they're not sinking on you, because that can be a pain. And this could be a pain too. There we go. Make sure your frays are all good. It just gives it a way more live presentation in the water. And the main thing that I do is, frogs normally live right off of the water line. So every single time I'm fishing with a frog, I try to make it look as real as possible. So I whip it right into the weeds, because these frogs are actually like weedless, so they don't pick up any weeds. So I just toss it right in the weeds and then slowly drag it in. Just do these little twitches like this. And then hopefully, yep. Oh! One just took it right there. Oh yeah. Sorry. So yeah, like I said, I just got a bite right on that. So just give it these little twitches here and there. But the thing with these frogs is they're so like, the hooks are so hidden up in the back of the frog, is like, you have to really wait until it's in the back of their mouth to just set the hook, or else you'll do what I just did and rip it right out of its mouth. Every single time. It's so annoying and frustrating. Yep. Oh, wow, come on. Wow. Just making a mess in the boat today. I gotta let it take it way longer than that. Yeah, and then just drag it back. Oh, mine's in the weeds. That's okay, but just drag it back. And then you'll see a little snap over top of it. Just like leave it there for a second and then like give it a couple twitches. Where's mine? Mine's sinking. But yeah, just give it like a couple hard twitches, side to side. Like not side to side, but like one side, you know what I mean? Yeah, like that, and let it sit. So like, you go like one, or like not that hard, like 1, 2, and then just let it sit there. 1, 2, let it sit there. And you can see ripples behind it, like that's the cool thing. I already missed 2 though. So like, see what I'm doing? Just like 1, 2, and see how it like bobs like that? Yeah. Like have 2 hands on your, like have this hand like this, have some tension, and then just drag it once like that. Not that hard. Yeah, like that, stop. And then just go 1, 2. That's 1, 2, yeah. And see how it just does that little ripple across the water? See, it's like boom, boom. That's what the fish look for. See those tung, 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 tung. Like I'm literally just looking at the outside rings. I want those to be like perfect. Because that's what the fish like, they work off of vibration. So like when you give a good vibration, like a consistent live frog vibration, that's what senses them to hit. So like if you're just like reeling in slow, when a fish is like, when you trigger a fish and you're just reeling it in, so like if I was just to reel it in slow like this, I'm vulnerable to get a hit because see that swirl right behind it? I'm vulnerable to get a hit. Oh, see, boom, boom, just like that. Oh, and I lost it. Do you see that? Wow. So like you're vulnerable to get a hit that way too. So that's what these fish are looking for right now. So like that's what I'm gonna switch to. They're looking for fish or frogs that are getting out to the deep so they can chase them. That was insane. Yeah. Wow, that was insane. My heart pumped right there. So super slow, or almost like kind of fast. Yep, 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 yep. Here we go, here we go. Oh yeah, on the topwater. He's a nice one. Here we go. Oh, here we go, baby. Here we go, baby. Oh, tank. Absolute tank. Oh, my God, he just annihilated that. Oh my God. Wow. Look at the belly on that fish. You annihilated that. Oh my God, I'm putting you on the scale for sure. So I recently just bought a scale, by the way. Yeah, because I was sick of not knowing what fish weigh. Because that was intense. Wow. It's 3.4 pounds. That's a nice fish, man. Wow. Let's get this guy back. Thank you for that. That was so intense.
Hey, make sure you get the
That was so intense. I can't even believe that happened. Oh, holy Christ. Let's do some more. Wow. That was intense. Holy frig. All right, so I was out here topwater fishing. Look at who I ran into.
The one and only. You guys missed it. If you can actually come over here a little bit, bring your troller. I'll show you guys the fish I caught. Even though it's not on camera, it's on my Snapchat story. This is it right here.
Here we go. Just caught it.
My biggest PB.
Tank City on the new craw. Look at this.
If the scale was here, I'm maybe 4 pounds. Maybe that's my personal best for sure. I set the hook, guys. Set the hook so hard, ripped out of my hands. Had to catch it like this. Went to go start reeling it again. It was on my wrong side. Ripped it out again, and I was like, oh, this is a monster, 100%. So, pulled it in, and it was just, I've never seen anything like it out of a canoe anyway. It was...
Attaboy. Anyway, so I just got that unreal topwater explosion. I hope that was all on video. And we're just out here trying our best to get some more videos for you, so stay tuned. Maybe we'll get one of Braeden in the canoe.
Sure,
in the stone canoe, baby.
Real quick, see if we can't get something. Standing up, casting deck and everything. I can't believe how hard that one hit though. I was like, oh. Like, almost lost my rod round two.